welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Pranjla and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys a very easy Christmas glam makeup look. This one right here. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. Hi guys, so I've prepped my face. Now let's move on to our brows. For the brows, I'm using this angular brush with Makeup Revolution X Dummies palette, and I just picked that black shade to fill my brows. I'm not a pro at it, so don't judge. Haha. Now that the brows are done, I'm gonna move on to priming my lids. For that, I'm using the Insight Cosmetics 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 01. I will apply it all over my lids and then blend it out with a buffing brush. It is very important to prime your lids. You can use an eye primer or a concealer. Here I'm using the concealer because I do not have an eye primer. If you have an eye primer, do not set it with the powder, and if you're using a concealer, set it with the powder. Now to set the lids, I'm using the Color Essence HD powder. Now for the eyes, I'm using this Hilary Dora Colorful palette. I'm really sorry for the condition, I just broke one shade. I am taking that green shade and I'm going to place it all over my lids. Blending takes a lot of time, so be patient. After that, for the glitter, I'll be using the In Color Cosmetics Desert Dusk palette. Taking that green shade, it's a really nice metallic green shade with a hint of shimmer. Oof, I have something under my eyes. That's okay. And now I'm gonna clean, or at least try to clean. For the eyeliner, I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes Colourpop eyeliner in the shade Khaleesi. Here you go. Now it's time for the lashes. And now for the mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. I really like this one. And I'm using it over the false lashes just to, combine them with my natural lashes so they look seamless and nice. But make sure to clean your lashes after you're done, otherwise it will damage your lashes. Now for my under eyes, I'll be using this Cream Concealer palette. This is from Camouflage. I'm blending it with the finger only. For the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228. Just dotting it all over my face and then blending it out with a buffing brush. And we're done. Now on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'll be using the same concealer that I used in the beginning. This one is Insight 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 01. This time I'm using it as a highlighting concealer under my eyes, somewhere around my nose, over my brows, and yeah. I genuinely don't know what went wrong that my camera did not even record the rest of the footage. After I was done with the concealer, I used the same Camouflage Conceal and Contour palette and used the contouring shades this time for some slight contouring. I did really slight contouring, and then to set my face, I used the same Color Essence HD powder. And that's it. I thankfully checked if it was getting recorded, but I'm really sorry. Now onto the blush. For the blush, I'm using this Mars lipstick. I really like this shade as a blush. As of now, I'm concentrating on the apple of my cheeks, but I will go on to the temples, also my nose, a little bit on the chin as well. because color everywhere. And I'm finally done with the blush. Now on to the lower lash line using the green shade from the same In Color Desert Dusk palette and patting it all over the lower lash line, and then taking the same shade for the inner corners as well. Then I'm using the same Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline and coating the lashes, lower lashes. And now it's time for the favorite part of makeup. For me, that's highlighter, and I'm using the Makeup Revolutions highlighter. This is my all-time reaction whenever I apply highlighter. Using it over my cheeks, nose, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, forehead, and yeah. And then onto the lipstick, I'm using the Mars red lipstick, and here you go. The final look is here. Wait, here. To see the pictures from this look, you need to follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, this was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you liked it. And also don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so that you're always notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're someone who's interested in music, then do not forget to check out my other channel. I will link it in description. You can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. This is me, Pranjala, signing off. I love you guys so much. Bye.